Flip a disappointed chair.
So we're going to set our first Aeoniums in this structure here that we put together earlier. And I decided to mix in some of the green Aeoniums with these vinyl leather looking Aeoniums that I dipped in paint. But I'm just going to set some big ones here kind of next to each other, kind of give it a little bit of a focal point. And again, this is just chicken wire and a little bit of screen, and that pops in there quite nicely. And let's see, let's put a large one here. So you can see kind of, you know, when you look at the structure, there's going to be some larger looking Aeoniums in the structure. But it'll kind of pull your eye away from all that black Aeonium that's in there and kind of make these look really beautiful and stand out even more. So I do have some floral pins here, or you can use wire. I'm going to go ahead and just pin that into the structure so that it doesn't fall. There we go. So just pin that down. Again, it's pinning into wire and chicken wire. I'm sorry, screen and chicken wire. I'll put a few more in here just to kind of give it a little bit more of a focal point. And then I will start with these vinyl Aeoniums here. So you want to hit one of those obviously rods so that it kind of keeps it tucked in there. You're kind of hanging these things because the dirt itself will not keep the Aeonium. Oh. No, I'm just trying to create my theme song right now.